Hello and welcome to Upwork, a global platform where freelancers and businesses can connect to find and work on projects. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through the process of making an account on Upwork. Step 1. Visit the Upwork website at URL. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the home page. Step 3. Enter your email address and create a password. Then, click on Sign Up. Step 4. In the next email, click on the link to activate your account. Step 5. Once your account is activated, head back to the Upwork website and click on My Account in the top right corner. Step 6. In the My Account section, you'll see your profile information. Click on the Settings button located next to your email address. Step 7. In the Settings page, modify your personal information and change your password. Step 8. Click on the Join Projects button to find and apply for projects on Upwork. Step 9. Once you've found a project that interests you, click on the Accept and Start Working button to begin your project. Step 10. During the project duration, communicate effectively with your client and ensure all deadlines and expectations are met. Step 11. Once the project is completed, complete the project review and receive your payment. That's it. You've successfully made an account on Upwork. Now you can start working on your first project and building your freelance career. Good luck!